Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fix a window that won't roll up Kia Optima. Begin by removing the inner door panel carefully, then test the window's switch and motor with a multimeter. If the switch is bad, replace it. If the motor is weak, swap the motor or regulator assembly. Keep screws organized and test the window before reassembling the door panel to confirm full operation. In this video, I will show how to fix a window that won't roll up Kia Optima. Start diagnosis by checking the fuse and relay, then operate the switch while listening for motor sounds. Use a multimeter to verify the switch sends 12V to the motor. If power is present but the motor is silent, the motor or regulator is likely faulty. Note any grinding or binding to decide on replacement versus lubrication. In this video, I will show how to fix a window that won't roll up Kia Optima. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for clear voice control and compact sound, which pairs nicely while you work on cars. It makes hands-free how-to-steps easier and keeps instructions audible. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and like. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to fix a window that won't roll up Kia Optima. After removing the door panel, disconnect the motor connector and apply 12V briefly to the motor to confirm it runs. If the motor runs but the window binds, inspect and replace the regulator. If the motor is dead, replace the motor assembly. Reassemble the door and test the window through full travel to ensure smooth operation and no rattles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.